Inang is yung character ni Jeannie ang di ba, nakatingala kay Marco. So even yung line yung I love you Marco, talagang dinikit namin yun for the para may connect, di ba? Kasi 13 years
talagang kinonect ko talaga din sa Thank you. Ang question ko po kay Miss Isa po. Din po kasi sa role ninyo, parang marami po kasi makaka-relate na since meron dalawang lovers na kumari magkakabalikan sila, then parang may iwan yung isa na in love din naman dun sa parang lead role na. So paano po ma-justify yung role nyo na parang makakatulong ba yun sa tao na parang paano siya makaka-recover if ever hindi siya yung piliin, yung parang ganun po. Whatever, parang paano po yung...
Baka kasi sa pagsagot sa tanong na yan.
Oo,
baka pelikula na ang mga...
Buong pelikula. Hindi,
parang lesson na lang, or if ever...
Hindi naman lesson, pero siguro, ang maganda lang dun sa character ko, ipapakita niya sa'yo yung how to be in that situation of a woman and still remain poised, kumbaga.
And how to
handle it with dignity. Kasi diba yung iba, maamoy mo pa lang yung ex ng iba, insecure na agad. Pero minsan wala naman ding talagang saysay na maging ganon. Siya, nandiyan na sa harap niya, okay pa rin. Ano yan? So, I think kapupulutan din nila ng aral, kumbaga. At kung bakit, kailangan mong panoorin. Sorry, hindi ko masagot ng maayos kasi it will reveal certain things about the film that we're trying to make it a surprise na lang. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon po. Pwede po lumapit. Pwede po lumapit.
Charot. Kanino ka lalapit? Nandiyan lang, mamigay. Mamaya na. Unahan na lang mamaya.
Pinatawag po ako ni Direk.
Direk ka? Direk ka?
Congratulations, Tony.
Halika lang.
Ayun na
Ano pa yan? Next question!
Ano po talaga yung question? Actually, siya kay Miss Isa. Sa isang relasyon po, gaano ka-importante sa inyo ang closure? Kasi po yung...
case to case naman yan eh. For me, it's case to case. Depende siguro sa nangyari sa inyo. How you guys broke up or if it's a friendly breakup, there should be closure. Pero sometimes it takes time to heal also. And in any relationship, I think it's really important to have one.
Thank you, Mama. Bantari naman yun.
Marami nang pinagdaanan. Hindi ako. Nakaisa ka rin inang. Mamaya ako naman.
Gusto naman.
Wait,
Anak ko naman yan.
joke lang. Para makaisa ako mamaya. Yung to answer your question, of course it's very important. Because sometimes it's not just closure of galit kayo sa isa't isa. It's closure of you might still be in love with the person. It sometimes gives you the freedom to feel love again, for another person. Kasi hanggat may galit ka, as long as you feel something, even if you still get irritated by the thought of your ex, there might still be something there. Hanggat apektado ka pa in any way, there's still something there. But the minute that you become deadma, kumbaga, apathetic, about wala ka nang pakialam, that's really the time that you've already had closure. It doesn't mean that you don't love the person anymore because I always believe that a person, once you've loved them, especially pag malalim yung pinagsamahan ninyo, it doesn't mean that when you break up, you don't love the person anymore. That's a totally different thing. But yung pag wala ng something that affects you, then may closure na. Ang dami ko sinabi. Pakis nga. Ay,